It may sound like the stuff out of movies, but an asteroid hurtling towards the Earth is something real-life scientists are preparing for at NASA.
NASA has recently announced that a large asteroid called Apophis is on a path toward Earth. In just a few years, it could come very close to our planet. Today, we will explore the fascinating details about asteroid Apophis, the risks it may pose, and how scientists are working quickly to prepare for any potential danger. Are we ready for this situation? Stay tuned to learn more. In 2004, NASA found an asteroid called Apophis that is moving toward Earth. Also known as Asteroid 99942, the near-Earth object is estimated to be about 100 feet, 340 meters across, and could cause serious damage to the planet's surface if it were to hit. But observations of Apophis's orbit during a distant flyby in March 2021 led astronomers to conclude that the asteroid poses no threat for at least the next century. According to NASA, its size makes it a major focus for NASA and other space organizations. But what's even more concerning is its trajectory. When Apophis was first detected, scientists estimated there was a 2.7% chance it could hit Earth in 2020. While that percentage might seem low, it's higher than what experts are comfortable with for an object of this size. If it were to collide with Earth, the energy released would be equivalent to 900 megatons of TNT, 18 times more powerful than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. Such an impact would cause widespread destruction. Apophis is an S-type asteroid, meaning it is mainly made of silicate rocks along with iron and nickel. This type of composition is common among asteroids, but what makes Apophis particularly concerning is its size and speed. If it were to collide with Earth, the energy released would be enormous, potentially flattening a large area. Scientists estimate that if Apophis hit Earth, it could unleash energy equivalent to 900 megatons of TNT, 18 times stronger than the largest nuclear bomb ever detonated. To give you an idea of its power, this is about 100,000 times more powerful than the Chelyabinsk meteor that exploded over Russia in 2013, which caused damage to thousands of buildings and injured over 1,500 people. When Apophis was first discovered, it caused a lot of worry among scientists and led to alarming media reports about a possible disaster in 2029. Fortunately, as scientists kept watching Apophis and updated their calculations, they found out that the asteroid will not hit Earth in 2029. However, it will come very close. On April 13, 2029, Apophis will fly by at just 31,000 kilometers away. To put that into perspective, that's closer than many satellites that orbit at about 36,000 kilometers. Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a huge asteroid passing by, visible without a telescope. That's how close Apophis will be. While scientists are sure there won't be an impact in 2029, its closeness to Earth still raises important questions, especially about where it might go in the future. Apophis is particularly dangerous not just because of its close flyby in 2029, but also due to the possibility of it passing through a gravitational keyhole. This keyhole is a specific area in space where Earth's gravity could slightly change Apophis's orbit, potentially putting it on a collision course with our planet in the future. The concern is that if Apophis passes through this keyhole during its 2029 flyby, Earth's gravity could alter its path enough to send it back toward us for another close approach or even a direct hit decades later. Initially, scientists thought there was a chance of an impact in 2036 or 2068, depending on how its orbit was affected during the 2029 encounter. As of 2021, more accurate calculations have ruled out the possibility of a collision in 2036. However, scientists are still monitoring the risk for 2068. While the chances of a future impact remain low at this time, they are not completely eliminated. If Apophis were to hit Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic. But it wouldn't cause an extinction-level event like the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. Apophis is about 350 meters wide, much smaller than the 10-kilometer-wide asteroid responsible for the dinosaurs' extinction. However, its impact could still lead to significant destruction, depending on where it lands. If Apophis struck land, it would create a death zone with a radius of at least 250 kilometers, obliterating everything within that area. The surrounding regions would suffer severe damage from shockwaves, heat, and fires. An even more frightening scenario would be if Apophis hit the ocean. An ocean impact could generate tsunamis reaching up to 100 meters high, devastating coastal communities and traveling across vast ocean areas. This would lead to widespread flooding and destruction of infrastructure, causing long-term economic and environmental damage. While this scenario is alarming, scientists are actively preparing for such possibilities. NASA has been actively preparing for potential asteroid impacts for many years, and Apophis has been a major focus of their efforts. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office, PDCO, established in 2016, was created to identify and monitor near-Earth objects like Apophis and develop strategies to address any threats. One of the key initiatives is NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission. This mission aimed to test whether crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid could change its path. DART successfully targeted a small asteroid named Dimorphos, which, although not a threat to Earth, proved that we have the technology to redirect an asteroid, an important tool for planetary defense. The upcoming close approach of Apophis in 2029 presents a unique chance for NASA and other space agencies to study the asteroid closely. This flyby will enable scientists to gather valuable information about Apophis' composition, orbit, and how Earth's gravity might influence its future path. Overall, this event is a crucial opportunity in the ongoing efforts to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts. It's not only NASA that is working to protect Earth from asteroids. Space agencies worldwide are joining forces on planetary defense strategies, recognizing that this is a global concern. For instance, the European Space Agency, ESA, is developing the Hera mission, which will follow NASA's DART mission to closely study the effects of asteroid deflection. Moreover, the International Asteroid Warning Network, IAWN, was created to ensure that information about near-Earth objects is shared among space agencies and governments globally. This collaboration is essential because if a dangerous asteroid is detected, a quick and united response will be necessary to prevent disaster. Looking ahead, NASA's NEO Surveyor mission, scheduled for launch in 2028, will greatly enhance our ability to find potentially hazardous asteroids. This space-based observatory will focus on identifying asteroids approaching Earth from hard-to-detect angles, such as those coming from the direction of the Sun. Early detection is crucial for successful deflection, and the NEO Surveyor will be a significant advancement in this effort. While Apophis poses a significant threat, it also offers a unique opportunity for research. Scientists are gearing up for its flyby in 2029, which will be the closest encounter we've had with an asteroid of this size in modern times. Remarkably, Apophis will be visible to the naked eye from certain locations on Earth, making it an exciting event. That's the story of Apophis, the large asteroid that has intrigued both scientists and space fans. While it's not an immediate danger, its close approach in 2029 serves as a reminder that our universe has many potential threats. Thanks to the efforts of NASA and other global space agencies, we are now better equipped to protect Earth from future asteroid impacts. What do you think? Are we doing enough to safeguard our planet from cosmic dangers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates on space exploration and planetary defense. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.